Today, we're going to expose the shocking truth about stevia and other artificial sweeteners and how they might be hindering your weight loss journey. Make sure to stick around until the end to learn about their impact on gut health and what you can do to make healthier choices. Stevia and artificial sweeteners have become increasingly popular as people search for healthier alternatives to sugar. They're marketed as zero-calorie sweeteners that can help you lose weight and control blood sugar levels. But are they really as good as they seem? Recent studies have shown that these sweeteners might not be as beneficial as we once thought. In fact, they could be sabotaging your weight loss efforts. How? Well, it turns out that these sweeteners can actually increase your cravings for sugary foods, leading to overeating and weight gain. But that's not all. Stevia and artificial sweeteners can also have a negative impact on your gut health. They can alter the balance of good and bad bacteria in your gut, leading to digestive issues and even a weakened immune system. This can make it even harder for you to lose weight and maintain a healthy lifestyle. So, what can you do to make healthier choices when it comes to sweeteners? First, try to limit your intake of artificial sweeteners and opt for natural alternatives like honey or maple syrup. These options might have more calories, but they're less likely to cause cravings and gut health issues. And remember, moderation is key. Now you know the hidden truth about stevia and artificial sweeteners and how they might be hindering your weight loss journey. It's important to be aware of the potential impact these sweeteners can have on your gut health and overall well-being. By making healthier choices and being mindful of your sweetener intake, you can take control of your weight loss journey and achieve your goals. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.